Hello, today I would like to show you a very useful Banggood component which make my life easier. If you buy a LED strip like this, it's ended with a black and red wire usually, and if you buy a power supply for it, it is ended with a plug, so you cannot connect them easily. Earlier I used such type of connectors, and to assemble this I need my glasses, I need a screwdriver because it is fixed by two screws, and the glass is necessary because my eyes is not the best and I cannot see the mark on it, which is the positive and which is the negative part of. But now I show you a more easier method. I do not need any of this. Instead I use this special connector. It is easily recognized which is the positive and which is the negative part because it is colorized. Red is the positive and black is the negative. And also you can use it without screwdriver if you press the button on it and insert the wires and release. Now it is fixed, and if you apply the power supply, it is working. I think it is a good idea to use such type of connectors if you frequently apply such LED strips. I hope you enjoyed this. Goodbye.